These are the Jamaican-born musicians who hit #1 on the UK singles chart as a lead artist. Some might surprise you. Desmond Dekker. In 1969, Israelites became the first reggae song to top the UK singles chart, opening the door for Jamaican music all around the world. Dave and Hansel Collins, Double Barrel. Carl Douglas, Kung Fu Fighting. Ken Boothe, Everything I Own.
Now pop, no style, I strictly roots.
Althea Donna. Their 1978 hit, Uptown Top Ranking, shot to #1, making them one of Jamaica's most iconic female duos.
I wanna wake up with you.
Boris Gardner. I Wanna Wake Up With You reached #1 in 1986 and became one of the biggest reggae love songs ever. Shaka Demus and Pliers. Their reggae cover of Twist and Shout topped the UK chart in 1994. Omi. Thanks to the remix, Cheerleader became a worldwide smash and hit #1 in the UK in 2015. So can you guys guess who is #1? I think you have an idea who.
She call me Mr. Bombastic, friendly fantastic.
Shaggy. No Jamaican-born artist has had more UK #1 singles than Shaggy. Oh Carolina, Bombastic, It Wasn't Me, and Angel all reached the top spot. Alright guys, so that was the list. If you enjoy content like this, follow for more.